So what we doing, man?
We got the lower control arms in, upper control arms in, springs in, cylinders in. We're working on the steering linkage right now, get that kind of eyeballed where it needs to go. Then I'm gonna work on getting the brakes all swapped over. You bought a disc brake kit, so probably by the end of the day we'll have the front end 95% buttoned up, and then I can start working on the back end. So that's pretty much trailing arms in the back. The holes are already cut, and then I just gotta do a wide bone, and then it's ready for the wheels to go. I gotta do 2 brake lines, but lead the brakes, put the wheels back on, and then build the setup. So ideally I plan on building the setup off the lift, so I can put something else on the lift if need be, and then yeah, go from there. Nothing too crazy. This one pretty much, it's nice when you buy all new stuff and I don't gotta worry about pressing like bushings and ball joints and stuff out of it. You just buy aftermarket arms and unbolt the bolt, you know? Makes life way easier. This obviously we're going to be adjusting all this, but I'd like to kind of set it as close as I can for the alignment shop. And then the nice thing about this one, we're not doing like extended control arms or anything, at least not right now. The goal of this one is really just to get it on the road, back on the road as quickly as possible. So I don't want to, you know, sit here and cut up brand new arms to get them extended. I have his old arms, which are pretty, they're in good shape. So I think the plan with that is I'll extend those, reinforce those when I have time, and then swap them out. So yeah, go there, steering's in. They're little, I don't really like this pitman arm that we got. I don't know if it's the wrong one. I need to, once I tighten everything up, I'm gonna see how it feels in the car. It just feels like it's binding right here when I was moving it. Yeah, even right here, it feels a little iffy. I do have a new pitman arm, but I don't have a pitman arm tool, so I'm just gonna leave that one on there for now. So once I get it, I'll swap it out. I'll take the sway bar off still, delete that.